The Fort Bend County Justice Center in Richmond houses the district clerk's office, the county clerk's office, the district attorney's office, 17 courtrooms, a grand jury room, and a jury assembly room. But it may surprise you to learn that it also has its own library. Andrew Bennett works there.
Well, the law library is here. It's a public institution, and so we're open to all walks of life here in Fort Bend County as well as the state of Texas. And so we provide legal material, mostly for attorneys. They're about 60% of our patron base. And so we have practice guides, form finders, treatises that help them in their practice, as well as for pro se litigants, self-represented, so that they can come in, find the legal material that they need, that they may not be able to find elsewhere. And so we're really here to support the community and their legal needs. Attorneys, like I said, are our main patron base, but anybody can come in here, use the material. We help them start their research. We tell them about the resources, how to use them, and then, if they have a particular legal problem, we're going to be able to get them started. We're part of the Fort Bend County Library system here in Fort Bend County. We have more of a special collection. It's a little bit narrow in subject than you're going to find at, say, George Memorial down the street.
As you would imagine, a lot of the library visitors are lawyers. But Bennett says they have a good share of visitors who are not. Pro se litigants are people who are not represented by a lawyer.
Like I said, about 60% of our patron base is going to be attorneys. However, we've seen a significant rise in pro se litigants. And a lot of that is just simply due to, they want more access to the legal system and want more information. And so we have seen a big rise in pro se litigants coming into this library. And typically that's going to be for your divorce cases. It's going to be for, eviction issues, probate, they're working on a will, that sort of thing, that they don't necessarily might not need an attorney, or they feel like they don't need an attorney.
Can you go to the law library for legal advice?
None of us here are attorneys, and we're bound by the law to not give legal advice. But we have legal resources that we can provide them, that they can find that legal advice. So there's free legal lines all across the state. The local organization is Fort Bend Lawyers Care. They provide, legal assistance for low-income residents of Fort Bend County. Now there is a pre-qualifying for them to do, but they provide bi-weekly legal lines as well as some legal clinics. There's also going to be, like TexasLawHelp.org has a online chat service. You can talk to a reference attorney, as well as some other legal lines around the area, including South Texas College of Law has a legal clinic. So, even though they come in and we're not able to give them that legal advice, we have some resources that they can find them, and then of course we can get them started on their research. We can't tell them, what form to use. We can't tell them how to fill it out. We can't choose court cases for them if they're using that, for their case. We can't, interpret the law for them. And that even includes, defining a legal term. But what we can do in that instance is we have a legal dictionary. We can show them a legal definition. We actually just did a people count recently. We had close to 300 people for that week. So, we get about 1,000 people a month. And so, we're here to help, find the legal resources you need, or at the very least find some legal assistance resources to help you with your case. So, we're here to help.
Get more information at www.fortbend.lib.tx.us. For CSI, I'm John Woods.